I love say hello. Have a kiss, lady.
Mommy's freezing.
What?
Mommy's cold.
So you need to put a jacket. Because
Mm.
Philippines are cold.
Mm.
But I have this cold. I have this cold.
I'm always cold. Come on, finish.
But I'm not cold. I'm fine.
You are fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I am cold.
Yes.
My legs is so cold. It's freezing. No, don't touch it.
Why?
Because your hands is freezing.
Put
Mm.
pants on.
Oh, mommy put pants on. Mommy get inside and put pants on, okay?
But I still want you like your skirt.
You can have this, Isabel. Come on, finish your...
No. The lover.
Alright, mommy get inside and put pants on, okay?
Mommy, you can put that in the table if you want to.
Hmm?
You can put that in the table.
I will use the stand so that they video to you there.
Okay.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Why have to say bye bye?
Because I will turn off my phone.
Bye bye. I'm
Bye.
going to use the other one. Okay. Bye. You're gonna fall down in the ground. Bye. Look.